Home Remedies presents Reboot your brain and body with this effective remedy. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a very easy and simple remedy to refresh and reboot yourself all at once. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. So guys, how many of you ever wished you could hit the reset button on your brain the way you do when you reboot your computer? Well, I would suggest that it's not only possible, but doing so should be a regular part of your routine life. It's important to take care of yourself. Today's remedy is made of simple kitchen ingredients readily available in everyone's home. And believe me, after using it, you will feel refreshed, energetic, calm, confident, focused, enthusiastic, and optimistic. That's when we are most productive and get along best with others. So let's see how to make the remedy to help refresh your brain and body. Ingredients: fennel seeds 50 grams, green cardamom 50 grams, rock sugar, mishri 50 grams. Procedure: simply grind all the 3 ingredients in equal quantity and store the powder into an airtight jar. Dosage: 1 tablespoon twice a day with water or milk. Use the remedy and see how you will feel after consuming it. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.